Well, I'm heading back to Beaverton today. I want to do the Dutch Brothers coffee, try and finish that up, but it might be difficult.
Penguin.
Okay.
She likes penguin.
Okay, so snowman,
elf.
Penguin, and an elf.
Yes.
And a cute little elf. Okay, cool.
I want an elf.
Right, cool.
I want a penguin.
All right. What do you want? What does he want?
I want whatever they want.
Okay,
oh,
cool.
gentlemen.
If he could be a holiday character, what should he be?
Him?
What is it?
I think he'd be the abominable snowman.
Oh! Yeah, Yeti. You should put Yeti on there.
Yeti. You want to do the Yeti? Because you should only be able to each pick one. Now you pick three. Penguin. Okay, so now what do you pick? A penguin? Penguin, and what is yours?
I want an elf.
Penguin, elf, and abominable, and the Yeti.
Yeti.
I'll make him cool with some coffee.
Yeah, girl.
Like with a
That is
funny.
Kevin in a character.
Yes. Okay. Kevin the Yeti. This is one of the realities of living in Oregon and being a window painter is it does rain, and sometimes you can't always tell what the weather's going to do. But yeah, I'm starting to get some moisture on the window, and so I'm going to just hang out here for a minute. If it gets too bad, I just got to scrape it off and come back on a day when it's looking better. But I look over at the sky and it did slow down a little, so I'm going to hang out here for a little bit and see what happens. It's definitely going to run a little, but we'll see. You can see here where it's starting to run, because the paint isn't completely dry and the rain is starting to hit it. So we're going to cross our fingers and see if I can salvage it. I might be able to salvage it, but it looks like I might not be able to, especially like with this penguin, see, starting to run. So we'll see what happens. The stuff on the side doesn't look too bad, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, yeah, it's definitely washing off, but that's okay, you know? I'll be back either later today or tomorrow.
On the other side, same thing. What are you doing with it?
Oh, I just use it to entertain people.
That's pretty sick, man.
I'm a window painter. I paint the windows here.
Oh, this is cool. I like that.
Yeah. But yeah, I make art cars. I'm going to put a waterfall on it later, too.
So are you doing like a biography of all of
There's a
us?
sign here, dude. Just donations in the mouth, dude.
Well,
right here, dude.
Donations in the mouth.
yeah, put your change and credit cards in there.
It's not kind of, I like it, man.
Hey, thanks.
You did this?
Yeah, I sculpted all of it.
This is politically correct on my home planet. Oh, dude, big ass fucking dinosaur. Look at this fucking thing.
Dude, oh my god. I call my brother T-Rex because he has short arms, and I'm going to take a picture and send it to him and ask him what his car is doing.
Cool. Well, I'm glad you entertained.
Man, I forgot the monkey up there, too.
Yeah, that's going to be part of the waterfall later.
Wow. Oh my god. is awesome. Oh, you got external speakers too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Come get a cell phone from Sprint. It's promotion. All right, buddy.
All right, man.
Hey, thanks.
Have a good